John sat down for dinner, surrounded by the familiar sounds and smells of his childhood home. His dad, a tall and imposing figure with a bushy beard, handed him a steaming plate of yellow rice. As he raised his fork, John's mind wandered to the strange phenomenon of yellow corn. Why was it yellow? He wondered. Was there something special about that color? His dad, noticing his son's curiosity, chuckled and said, "Ah, you're thinking about the enigma of yellow corn, eh?" John nodded eagerly, intrigued by this new mystery. His dad continued, "Well, you know, some say it's because of the way the sunlight hits the corn at a certain angle, giving it that unique hue. But others claim it's more than just light and shadow. They say there's something magical about yellow corn." John's eyes widened as his dad leaned in conspiratorially. "They say that when the moon is full and the stars are aligned just right, you can see a glow around the yellow cornfields at midnight. Some even swear they can hear whispers coming from the ears of the corn." John's mind raced with excitement as he imagined sneaking out, under the cover of darkness, to investigate these strange claims. He couldn't wait to uncover the truth behind the enigma of yellow corn. As he took his first bite, the taste and texture of the rice melding perfectly with the crunch of the peas, John knew this was a night that would stay with him forever. The night he began his journey to solve the mystery of yellow corn.
Why is yellow corn unique? Yellow corn is unique because of the way sunlight hits it at a certain angle, giving it that distinct hue. However, there may be something more to it than just light and shadow. Some people believe that there's something magical about yellow corn, and that it has a special significance in certain cultures or traditions. What do some people say happens when the moon is full and the stars are aligned? According to some people, when the moon is full and the stars are aligned just right, you can see a glow around the yellow cornfields at midnight. This phenomenon is said to be mysterious and otherworldly, and has been passed down through generations as an old wives' tale or superstition. What do people claim to hear when they sneak out to investigate the yellow cornfields at night? People claim that when they sneak out to investigate the yellow cornfields at night, they can hear whispers coming from the ears of the corn. These whispers are said to be mysterious and otherworldly, and are believed by some to be a sign of something magical or supernatural happening in the fields. Why is John excited to investigate the mystery of yellow corn? John is excited to investigate the mystery of yellow corn because he's always been fascinated by the strange and unknown. He loves the idea of uncovering secrets and solving mysteries, and he can't wait to see what he might discover about the enigma of yellow corn. What does John's dad say is the most important thing about the mystery of yellow corn? According to John's dad, the most important thing about the mystery of yellow corn is that it's a reminder that there's still magic and wonder in the world, even if we can't always see or explain it. He says that the mystery of yellow corn is a symbol of the enduring power of imagination and curiosity, and that it's something to be cherished and protected.